Gary K.
Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Gary K, and thanks for joining me for another Rants and Raves video cast. It's been a lot going on in the industry lately, and it's a good time to check in with TD SYNNEX. And I've got Lisa McGarvey here from TD SYNNEX. She actually is the Vice President of Solutions, Verticals, and Alliances at TD SYNNEX. You have a big responsibility there, Lisa.
I do. I have a great team that focuses on data, AI, IoT solutions, and enabling our resellers and our ecosystem on verticals and how to sell into verticals, have strategic conversations, and then I work with a lot of our key alliances.
Well, you've got a lot of responsibility, but you're doing a phenomenal job. Congratulations, just as a little side note, on winning Distributor of the Year in the rAVe Readers' Choice Awards. But I wanted to know if, there's a lot of stuff that's happened technologically lately. Everyone's talking about AI. Apple, a couple weeks ago, introduced a new VR headset, our XR headset. That does a lot of new things. Digital signage has gone through a transformation where a lot of it was on-prem and now is being driven from the cloud. And of course, collaboration has been a hot market segment for a while now. Tell me about the role of distributors play as all these new technologies have started to appear, and sort of where you're kind of positioning yourself, because you're going to have to be continue to be more than just a hardware supplier.
Yeah, if you look at the industry, I mean, we've really moved from traditional distribution and product sales to what you're seeing from a company like TD SYNNEX, where we're actually aggregating and orchestrating solutions. And we see that model becoming exponentially more valuable to our ecosystem. We're really positioning ourselves at the center of the IT ecosystem, because traditional distribution was very limited, right? Pick, pack, ship. With digital transformation now and the need for digitization of everything, it's allowing solution aggregators like ourselves to really unlock the potential of our ecosystem. And now with our focus around high growth technologies like cloud, security, data, IoT, and growing partnerships that we have, the expanding ecosystem, MSPs, OEMs, ISVs, OTSIs, right? We're making key investments in all of those areas, continually growing our ecosystem, our capabilities to really meet those emerging technology needs that you're seeing in the industry, and being able to support our customers. We know that building and delivering solutions is lengthy and complex. So our job as an aggregator is to simplify that complexity. And that's really what we're trying to do.
Well, AI is a specific topic I wanted to address, and sort of how's that going to affect or fit into enterprise and edge spaces today, and sort of where do you see that? Because that is the thing that all integrators are trying to figure out what they're supposed to do and when that's going to matter to them.
Yeah, I mean, we're seeing AI as an emerged trend, right? If you look at a lot of what the analysts are saying, most CXOs have already started to deploy or plan to deploy in some capacity in the next 12 months, right? So we're seeing AI enable multiple different use cases across verticals, whether it's computer vision, real-time detection. We see a lot of opportunity for AI plus physical security, right? Detecting anomalies, understanding occupancy levels. We saw a lot of need for image and event recognition capabilities, right, that are really enhancing the AI plus security, real-time surveillance. And this is really, AI is enabling that proactive real-time security response. So it supports a lot of business needs that we're seeing, right? If we look at what CXOs are looking for, automating business processes that enable operational efficiency, whether that's, in healthcare, automating claims, and manufacturing, automating process flows, right? Gaining insights into that data and leveraging that data to enhance the customer consumer experience, something like personalized digital signage, leveraging customer history and information, right? Just seeing a lot of need, and we know, and we're talking to our customers about AI drives adjacent technologies.
Yeah.
So it drives cloud consumption, it drives hardware. So we see a huge need and demand for AI, but really what we're trying to do is help our customers make AI attainable for them to understand how they can leverage it with their customers. So we're bringing on and continuing to bring on new types of ISV partnerships. And we're looking at that AI market landscape, whether it's ML ops, generative AI, computer vision. We're looking to see how we can build out our ecosystem to support our customers and their needs.
Well, your customers have, different challenges depending on what vertical they're in, right? What
Right,
part of
right.
what part of the industry they're in. Can you explain how TD SYNNEX specifically helps partner build and enhance industry skills specifically? Because you named a bunch of stuff that I don't even know that a lot of people even understand, and I know part of it is education.
Right, right. Education is huge. There's a huge need for specialization and differentiation out there. And we've created a value stack, whether it's horizontal or vertical. We've made investments in skills and capabilities really to help the partners monetize the opportunity, because we know that the personas that they need to speak to are changing, right? It's not just IT and procurement, it's
Yeah.
line of business. So we're enabling our partners and our ecosystem with specific industry needs. It's been in our DNA for a very long time too. We have vertical industry experts. We have solutions that focus on business outcomes in different verticals. We have created universities where we spend a day virtually with our partners, helping them understand, the specific business needs in healthcare, manufacturing, retail, public sector, and helping them understand, what are the solutions that they can sell, but who are the people that they should be talking to? Who are those personas, and what do each of them care about? Because they all care about different things,
Yeah.
right? If you're talking to a nurse or a doctor at a hospital, they care about something different than the CTO, right? So, or the CIO or the CMO. So we need to have those conversations. We need to enable our ecosystem. So we offer those things, those education and enablement. We participate in industry conferences to help get end user perspective on what's going on in the market. And we also, have some really cool internship immersion type programs where we're live, feet on the street at a hospital, at a police station, right? We are providing those type of internship ability to our ecosystem, so they can really understand live, at a school, talk to students, talk to teachers, how is technology being used, and how are nurses leveraging technology, and how is it also, how's it providing roadblocks, right? Why can't a nurse spend more time with the patient because she's dealing with technology issues? So we are providing those insights and that frontline education for our customers. And we really think it will help them have more strategic conversations instead of having a product conversation, building a vision for their customer, really understanding their customer.
And as we look to the future, I mean, you're doing a lot now, obviously, and I think we're talking to Lisa McGarvey from TD SYNNEX, Vice President of TD SYNNEX, and you can obviously go to tdsynnex.com to learn about what you're doing today. But in the future, like if I were to talk to you 6 months from now, because we can't really go beyond that because things are moving
Yeah.
so quickly, what are we going to see?
So TD SYNNEX has a four-pillar investment strategy, right? Invest in high growth technology areas, AR, VR, AI, security, cloud, right? I mean, it's all there. We're doing that. We're strengthening our end-to-end portfolio so that we ensure that we have support for our customers. We have solutions, we have vendors. We're transforming digitally ourselves, right? We're learning through advanced analytics and digital platforms to give a better customer experience, and we're expanding our global footprint. Specifically from my team, you'll see a real focus on ISVs and AI. We're seeing more and more relevant. I mean, AI is growing so quickly, and that market landscape is so huge. We are trying to capture what is relevant for our customers. We're seeing a lot, like I talked about in video surveillance and the different verticals, but really ensuring that we're complementing our key core vendors and continuing to drive hardware plus software plus services, right? That
Yeah.
entire solution from the edge to the data center to the cloud. So our goal is to help our partners deliver the right solutions. And we know that no one can do it alone. So we're helping with partnerships to deliver that value to their customers.
Perfect. Yeah, this has been a great discussion. I really appreciate your time. Again, to learn more information, or if you're not already dealing with TD SYNNEX, you should be. Go to tdsynnex.com. And of course, you can follow all the news as we cover all this at ravepubs.com. Lisa, thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Gary.
Everyone, thanks for watching.
rAVe Radio with Rance and Rave.